politicians to Bollywood superstars to former cricketer Sachin Tendulkar also speaking. Let's get you.
लोगों के लिए अच्छी फैसिलिटीज रहेगी। पूरा जो पीरियड है वोटिंग पीरियड वो पूरे समय तक अच्छी फैसिलिटीज रहे, यही मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ और किसी को तकलीफ ना हो। आइए जरूर वोट कीजिए।
Being an icon and of course who has an influence on hundreds and thousands and lakhs of people there, here is Sachin Tendulkar making an appeal for the voters to come out and cast their vote.
Also, brand ambassador of the Election Commission of India goes on stating that how the vote percentage should be increased by every year, and he has been repeating that every year, and has a government then they should not be complaining about the factors that affect them. So it is a very important assembly election for the state of Maharashtra, which is not only deciding factor for the thousands of candidates to decide the future of Maharashtra, to decide the future of our country, and they should participate in big number. In doing so, it becomes very important when individuals like Sachin Tendulkar gives out this. The voting timing is will be concluding by 6 p.m. So still a long hour is being remaining, and while we are speaking, we can also see voters are coming in big number.
The Lok Sabha elections and the impact that it had when it comes to the Mahayuti, is it banking heavily on welfare schemes, or when it comes to the MVA that wants to repeat its performance? Let's in the meantime also talk about the
बढ़िया बात है, इंतजाम बहुत अच्छा किया हुआ है। मेरे को क्यों ढका? बहुत अच्छा इंतजाम किया हुआ है। मैं देख रहा था कि सीनियर सिटीजन के लिए बहुत अच्छा इंतजाम किया हुआ है, बहुत सफाई रखी हुई है, एंड बस आज यही है कि सब लोग
Shiv Sena in particular would also have certain bearing in the elections that are taking place.
Well, I was having a conversation with the Thackeray's as well, Raj Thackeray, lashing out at Uddhav Thackeray's legacy, basically saying that just because he compromised on his ideology, that was Hindutva, just because he joined hands with the said that it was pre-decided in 2019 that 2.5 years they will be CM and 2.5 years BJP will be holding the CM position. Another interesting and significant has spoken negatively about Sharad Pawar. Ajit Pawar has been the first one to make that attack. Now, whether Ajit Pawar will